Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we see two bikers riding on the road, and suddenly one of them loses control and falls down. This can be a scary situation, and it's important to know how to react to avoid further harm. Upon closer inspection, we can see that the road was a little bit wet, which caused the biker to slip. Riding on wet surfaces can be challenging, as it reduces the grip of the tires and makes it harder to control the bike. Make sure your tires are properly inflated and have enough tread depth, as this affects their grip on the road. In the next video, we see a biker driving dangerously between cars, putting himself and others at risk. Even though he might have felt in control, he was actually exposing himself to potential accidents at every moment. Unfortunately, the biker's reckless driving caught up with him. The consequences could have been even worse if he had hit other cars on the highway. Okay, check out this video. Two bikers were going very fast on the country road. Suddenly, the biker in front loses control and drifts into the opposite lane where a car is approaching. The biker quickly steers outwards towards the verge, but unfortunately, he crashes into a barrier and is thrown into the air. This video serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of speeding and reckless driving. The biker in this video was fortunate to have survived such a horrific crash, but many others are not so lucky. Check out the luck of this biker. Traffic can be a real headache, especially when you're on a bike. But sometimes, when you're stuck in traffic, you might see a tempting opportunity to split lanes. This biker is splitting lanes pretty quickly, and while he manages to avoid any accidents, it's important to remember that lane splitting can be risky. Some states allow lane splitting, while others don't. If you're considering lane splitting, make sure to check the laws in your area and follow the recommended safety guidelines.
Outra coisa, Mike, por que você não entrou em pânico, não travou a roda? É o seguinte, você olha o carro e desvia do trajeto, não fica olhando pro carro. Só que você olha na direção da roda dele para ver se ele tá voltando.
It's a familiar scene for any biker riding through traffic, watching out for cars, and trying to stay safe on the road. But sometimes, even the most cautious riders can't avoid a dangerous situation. A car suddenly comes barreling through the intersection. It's clear that the driver is running a red light. Check this out. Nothing could be done to prevent this.
Jesus! Woo! Woo!
Our last video is about a biker who gets hit by a flying object while riding on the highway. As you can see, there's a car ahead of the biker that's towing a boat. Suddenly, a piece of the boat falls off the car and hits the biker, causing a huge crash. Accidents can happen anytime, and it's our responsibility to minimize the risks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.